The Nazca civilization, which thrived in the arid region of southern Peru from approximately 200 BCE to 600 CE, remains an enigmatic chapter in the annals of ancient history. Nestled between the formidable Andes Mountains and the Pacific Ocean, the Nazca people, also known as the Nazca, created a unique and sophisticated culture that left an indelible mark on the landscape and our understanding of pre-Columbian societies. Our goal is not only to inform but also to inspire a renewed interest in preserving the invaluable heritage of the Nazca civilization. As we embark on this journey, we invite viewers to join us in unraveling the mysteries of the Nazca, fostering a greater appreciation for the rich tapestry of human history that extends across the vast, windswept landscapes of southern Peru. The roots of the Nazca culture can be traced back to the Paracas culture, which occupied the same region along the southern coast of Peru. Around 200 BCE, the Nazca civilization began to emerge as a distinct cultural entity, absorbing and building upon the achievements of their predecessors. The transition from the Paracas to the Nazca culture marked a period of cultural evolution, where the Nazca people developed their unique artistic, technological, and agricultural practices. The Nazca culture flourished in a complex social and economic environment. Archaeological evidence suggests that they lived in small, autonomous villages, with each community specializing in certain crafts or agricultural practices. The mastery of irrigation techniques allowed the Nazca people to cultivate crops such as maize, beans, and cotton, contributing to the development of a stable and self-sufficient society. The geographical setting of the Nazca civilization played a pivotal role in shaping its identity and influencing various aspects of daily life. Situated in the Nazca Desert, one of the driest places on Earth, the region posed significant challenges for sustenance. However, the Nazca people ingeniously harnessed the waters of the Rio Grande and other river systems, constructing an elaborate network of underground aqueducts and surface canals to irrigate their fields. The arid landscape also contributed to the preservation of the Nasca Lines, as the lack of rainfall and minimal vegetation helped maintain the integrity of these intricate geoglyphs over the centuries. The harsh environment fostered the development of resilient agricultural practices, emphasizing the resourcefulness of the Nazca people in adapting to the challenges posed by their surroundings. The Nazca civilization did not exist in isolation. It interacted with neighboring cultures, exchanging ideas, technologies, and possibly engaging in conflicts. To the south, the Nazca people had contact with the Paracas culture, from which they inherited certain artistic styles and techniques. Additionally, the influence of the Moche civilization to the north is evident in the Nazca pottery, as they adopted some Moche iconography and adapted it to their own artistic expressions. Trade networks played a crucial role in connecting the Nazca people with distant regions. The Nazca culture engaged in the exchange of goods such as textiles, ceramics, and possibly agricultural products with neighboring societies. These interactions not only facilitated economic prosperity but also contributed to the cultural diversity and complexity of the Nazca civilization. The Nazca civilization left behind a wealth of archaeological sites that provide invaluable insights into their daily lives, religious practices, and societal structures. These sites, scattered across the Nazca region, encompass ceremonial centers, residential areas, and burial grounds. Prominent among these archaeological sites is the ancient city of Cahuachi, a sprawling complex believed to have been a ceremonial and administrative hub for the Nazca people. Cahuachi, characterized by its towering adobe pyramids and plazas, stands as a testament to the religious and cultural significance embedded in Nazca society. The site is thought to have been a pilgrimage destination, where rituals and ceremonies were conducted on a grand scale. Other significant sites include Perdens and Estiqueria, which offer glimpses into the Nazca people's agricultural practices and daily life. Archaeological expeditions in the Nazca region have unearthed a treasure trove of artifacts, allowing researchers to piece together the puzzle of this ancient civilization. Pottery, in particular, stands out as a hallmark of Nazca artistry. The ceramics display remarkable skill in design and execution, featuring vibrant colors and intricate depictions of animals, mythical beings, and everyday life. Textiles are another significant facet of Nazca material culture. Elaborate textiles with intricate patterns and vivid colors showcase the Nazca people's mastery of weaving techniques. The garments not only served functional purposes but also held symbolic meanings, reflecting social status, religious affiliations, and possibly even narratives of myth and history. The examination of Nazca artifacts provides a window into the daily lives and cultural practices of this ancient civilization. The intricate pottery, adorned with scenes of rituals, ceremonies, and mythical creatures, offers insights into the Nazca people's religious beliefs and cosmological views. Depictions of deities, shamans, and supernatural beings suggest a complex spiritual world that influenced various aspects of Nazca society. Textiles, with their symbolic patterns and intricate weaving techniques, reveal information about social hierarchies, cultural affiliations, and possibly even individual identities. The garments worn by the Nazca people were not merely utilitarian but served as expressions of identity, status, and adherence to cultural norms. The Nazca Lines, an extraordinary array of giant geoglyphs etched into the arid plateau of the Nazca Desert in southern Peru, stand as one of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring archaeological phenomena in the world. These immense drawings, created by removing the reddish-brown iron oxide-coated pebbles that cover the surface of the Nazca Desert, have captured the imagination of researchers, scholars, and curious minds for decades. The Nazca Lines encompass a vast array of figures, ranging from simple geometric shapes to intricate representations of animals, plants, and humanoid forms. The sheer scale and precision of these geoglyphs, some of which stretch for hundreds of meters, defy easy explanation. The mystery surrounding their purpose and the methods employed by the Nazca people to create them have fueled numerous theories and speculations. The Nazca lines can be broadly categorized into three main types: straight lines, geometric shapes, and zoomorphic figures. The straight lines, often extending for several kilometers, crisscross the desert plateau and connect various key points. Geometric shapes include triangles, trapezoids, and spirals, while zoomorphic figures depict animals such as birds, monkeys, and spiders, each possessing distinct characteristics and intricacies. The execution of the Nazca lines is remarkable, considering the lack of advanced technology available to the Nazca people. The lines are shallow trenches, typically about 10 to 30 centimeters deep, created by removing the reddish-brown iron oxide-coated pebbles to reveal the lighter-colored earth beneath. The precision and scale of these geoglyphs suggest careful planning, possibly aided by simple tools and a deep understanding of the landscape. The purpose behind the Nazca lines remains one of the most debated topics in archaeology, and various theories have been proposed to explain their creation and significance. Ceremonial and religious functions. Many researchers posit that the Nazca lines served ceremonial or religious purposes. The alignments of some geoglyphs with solstices and celestial events suggest an astronomical connection. It is speculated that the Nazca people may have used the lines for rituals, possibly related to agricultural cycles, water fertility, or as pathways for ceremonial processions. Water and agricultural theories. Some theories propose that the Nazca lines were associated with water, considering the scarcity of this vital resource in the desert. The lines might have functioned as a form of irrigation, with certain geoglyphs directing the flow of water during rare rainfall events. Others suggest that the lines served as markers for underground water sources. Astronomical alignments. The precise alignment of some Nazca lines with astronomical events has led to the hypothesis that the geoglyphs served as an astronomical calendar or observatory. Certain figures may have marked significant celestial events, aiding the Nazca people in agricultural planning or religious ceremonies tied to the celestial cycles. Artistic and expressive intent. Another perspective suggests that the Nazca lines were created purely for artistic or expressive purposes. The vast canvases of the desert floor provided the Nazca people with an opportunity to showcase their creativity, with the geoglyphs acting as a form of artistic expression or storytelling. The religious beliefs of the Nazca people were deeply intertwined with their daily lives, social structure, and the enigmatic Nazca lines. While much about their religious system remains speculative, certain elements have been inferred from the study of iconography on pottery, textiles, and the alignment of geoglyphs. The Nazca people are believed to have worshipped a pantheon of deities, with each deity associated with natural elements, celestial bodies, and agricultural cycles. The sun, moon, and various animal forms were central to their cosmology. Shamans or religious practitioners likely played a crucial role in mediating between the spiritual and earthly realms, performing rituals to ensure agricultural fertility, successful hunting, and protection from natural disasters. The social structure of the Nazca civilization was likely organized into small, autonomous villages, each with its own set of agricultural fields and specialized crafts. The society may have been hierarchical, with individuals or families holding positions of authority based on factors such as wealth, lineage, or religious roles. Daily life for the Nazca people revolved around agricultural activities, as they ingeniously cultivated the arid land using advanced irrigation techniques. The cultivation of crops such as maize, beans, and cotton sustained their communities. Pottery, textiles, and metalwork were integral to daily life, serving both functional and symbolic purposes. Art played a central role in Nazca culture, manifesting in various forms such as pottery, textiles, metalwork, and the iconic Nazca Lines. The intricate and vibrant pottery of the Nazca people featured elaborate scenes depicting daily life, religious rituals, and mythological beings. The use of bold colors and intricate designs reflected their artistic prowess and expressed their cultural identity. Textiles were equally important, with the Nazca people producing finely woven garments adorned with symbolic patterns. These textiles not only served as practical items of clothing but also conveyed social status, religious affiliations, and possibly narratives of myth and history. The mastery of weaving techniques allowed the Nazca people to create textiles with intricate patterns and vivid colors. Nazca pottery stands as a testament to the artistic sophistication and cultural richness of the Nazca civilization. The Nazca people were prolific potters, creating an extensive array of vessels adorned with intricate designs and vibrant colors. The pottery produced by the Nazca culture has become iconic for its detailed depictions of everyday life, religious rituals, and mythological beings. Nazca pottery can be categorized into various forms, including stirrup-spout vessels, bowls, beakers, and effigy vessels. Stirrup-spout vessels, characterized by a distinctive spout resembling a stirrup, often feature intricate scenes and elaborate iconography. Bowls and beakers showcase a wide range of geometric patterns and symbolic representations, while effigy vessels take the form of animals, humans, or mythological beings. Nazca pottery is replete with symbolism, conveying not only aesthetic beauty but also deeper cultural and religious meanings. The intricate designs on pottery vessels often depict scenes from everyday life, agricultural activities, and mythical narratives. Animals, plants, and human figures are recurrent motifs, each carrying specific symbolic significance within Nazca cosmology. The artistic techniques employed by Nazca potters showcase a remarkable level of skill and attention to detail. The use of fine line drawing, intricate incisions, and the application of pigments allowed for the creation of visually stunning and thematically rich pottery. The vessels were often created using the coil method, where long coils of clay were stacked and then shaped into the desired form. The surfaces were then meticulously decorated using a variety of tools, resulting in finely crafted pieces that served both functional and symbolic purposes. Art in Nazca culture served as a powerful means of conveying cultural messages, preserving historical narratives, and expressing religious beliefs. Pottery, as a utilitarian item, was not merely a vessel for holding liquids but a canvas for storytelling and cultural expression. Each piece of pottery, with its unique combination of symbols and designs, communicated a narrative that transcended the functional aspects of the object. Through the careful arrangement of motifs and the use of symbolism, Nazca potters conveyed messages about social hierarchies, religious practices, and the cyclical nature of life. The scenes depicted on pottery vessels provided a visual language through which the Nazca people expressed their connection to the natural world, their reverence for deities, and their understanding of the cosmic order. The decline of the Nazca civilization, like many ancient cultures, was a complex process influenced by various factors. Environmental challenges, such as prolonged droughts and fluctuations in precipitation, likely strained the Nazca people's agricultural practices, leading to food shortages and societal stress. Additionally, social factors, including potential internal conflicts or external pressures, might have contributed to the weakening of Nazca society. The interconnected nature of these factors underscores the delicate balance that ancient civilizations navigated, and the Nazca were no exception. The legacy of the Nazca culture extends far beyond the boundaries of its ancient existence. The Nasca Lines, with their enigmatic beauty and cultural significance, continue to captivate the global imagination. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Nazca Lines draw tourists, scholars, and artists alike, fostering a sense of wonder and curiosity about the ancient civilization that created them. The iconic imagery of Nazca pottery, textiles, and metalwork has also influenced modern Peruvian art and design, creating a visual link between the past and present. Moreover, the Nazca people's achievements in agriculture and engineering, particularly their innovative irrigation systems, have left a lasting impact on contemporary understanding and practices in sustainable agriculture. The lessons learned from the Nazca civilization's ability to thrive in a challenging environment offer valuable insights for addressing current environmental and agricultural challenges. Preserving the heritage of the Nazca civilization is crucial for maintaining a connection with our shared human history and understanding the complexities of ancient societies. The Nazca Lines, as fragile and vulnerable as they are, require careful conservation efforts to protect them from environmental threats, erosion, and human activities. Archaeological sites and artifacts, including pottery and textiles, provide invaluable insights into the cultural, social, and technological achievements of the Nazca people. Beyond the academic and cultural significance, the preservation of Nazca heritage contributes to the broader understanding of human adaptability, resilience, and creativity. By safeguarding the remnants of the Nazca civilization, we honor the legacy of a people who, against formidable odds, developed a unique and vibrant culture in the challenging terrain of the Nazca Desert. Preserving their heritage ensures that future generations can continue to explore, learn from, and appreciate the profound contributions of the Nazca civilization to the rich tapestry of human history. In conclusion, the exploration of the Nazca civilization has unraveled a tapestry of complexity and ingenuity. From their origins rooted in the Paracas culture to the creation of the iconic Nasca Lines, the Nazca people demonstrated remarkable adaptability in the face of the challenging desert environment. The intricate pottery, textiles, and metalwork reflect not only their artistic prowess but also the depth of their cultural, religious, and societal practices. The decline of the Nazca civilization was shaped by a confluence of environmental and social factors, highlighting the delicate balance ancient societies navigated. In conclusion, the Nazca civilization beckons us to explore, appreciate, and protect the treasures they left behind. It is a call to transcend the boundaries of time and connect with a people whose legacy, though ancient, continues to inspire and challenge our perceptions of the past and the future.